Is your Gmail inbox overflowing with thousands of old emails? Learn how to archive them all in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact steps to select and archive every email in your inbox, even if you have thousands. Let's get started. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage, where you'll see your inbox. First, click this Select checkbox at the top of your email list to select all conversations on the current page. Then, if you see the option, click Select All Conversations in Inbox to include all emails, not just the ones on screen. Now, click the Archive button in the toolbar to begin archiving. Wait while Gmail archives all selected emails. You'll see a confirmation message when it's done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.